Hi everyone, I am Manish. Today we will walk you through the invoicing and the payment portal we have created. Uh, on Tradetron, they have stopped the invoice generation in TT format. So the only way we can generate invoices is through offline invoice. And we did this in the month of April, and it was very painful in terms of reconciliation and coordinating with all of you. So what we have done, we have created a simple UI where you will be able to register your strategies which you have deployed in live auto, and then at the month end we will be able to generate invoices on Tradetron and on our site, and then you can directly come onto our site and make the payments and all. So let's quickly walk through the process. So I am on our site ensuringsuccess.in. Here, what you need to do is basically in the Our Services menu, we need to get into Algo Terminal. So I will click on Algo Terminal. The moment I will click on Algo Terminal, if you are not logged in the website, it will show you Access Terminal, which means that you are not logged in. If you have already created your credentials on this website, you will directly go ahead and log in. If you are visiting this site for the first time, then you must use the sign up process to create your account with our website. So I already have an account. So what I will do, I will simply get into it. So now I'm in the site, and on this Algo Terminal, Algo Terminal link, you will see this simple information gathering page. So what we need here are only two details from you. The Tradetron registered email. So basically the email ID which you use for your Tradetron login. The reason we need it is when Tradetron generates invoice, it only provides the detail of the email ID of the user. So once you have this information with us, we will be able to automatically reconcile your invoices and payments. So I will simply go ahead and put in the same email ID which I had used in for which I have used in for logging into this website. If you have different account, different email ID with which you have registered on this site, and your return registered email is different, that is absolutely fine. Just here, make sure that you provide the actual Tradetron registered email ID. This information is critical because based on this only we will be verifying your request for access for any of our strategies and will approve it. So after updating these two details, you will just select the strategy which you are either already having in live auto or the one which you are planning to deploy. So I will select all three strategies and I will create and I will click on initiate deployment. What it will do, it will send me an OTP on the Tradetron email ID. This is a security feature so that no one abuses the process or basically puts in your email ID everywhere. So you will receive an OTP on that email which you have entered. So just check your email and put in the OTP. So I am putting in the OTP here. Once this OTP is verified, I will get an access to the ledger in the billing section. Now, currently the ledger is clean because I do not have any invoices for support at the rate ensuringsuccess.in. So just to show you how this section will look, because this is what you will use once you have any live auto with us for the monthly billing. So you will be coming on Algo Terminal in the billing section, you will see your invoices. So let me quickly generate invoice. for just to show you how it works. So I'm just generating an invoice. Just give me 1 second. Okay. So invoice generated. Okay. Now I have generated the invoice. And during this entire process, you will keep getting Telegram messages if you have linked your account, right? So let me show you the Telegram, how the Telegram message will look. So here, so once any invoice is generated, right, you will get a message on Telegram with your email, batch number of invoice, cycle of invoice for the strategy for which the invoice got created, HWM profit, high watermark profit, which comes from Tradetron, and base fee and GST, right? So total due is 59 rupees. This is for Chakrika. Now, let me generate one more invoice for another strategy so that I can show you how to club payments instead of making multiple payments. So I am now generating invoice for, say, Nivritti. Let me just do this. So I generated one invoice for Nivritti, and as you can see on Telegram, I got another message which says that invoice is generated for Nivritti. So you will get this automated Telegram if you have already connected Telegram on the website during your sign up or login process. Coming back to the site, so far the ledger was showing clean, but as the invoice is now generated, when you log in onto this site, it will show you the invoices, right? So here you can see the master invoice amount is 118 rupees, Nivritti has 59 and Chakrika has 59 rupees, right? So in total 118 has to be paid. You will directly pay from this link. You do not have to pay individual or separate invoices. So I will make this payment just to show you how the UI will look after the payment. So I initiated the payment. I scanned this QR code, and then RazorPay is processing my payment. Once RazorPay completes the payment process, then website will verify the payment against the order ID. So you see here this red button, it was showing verified. And the moment your payment is successful, you will see that your account or your invoice is settled with us. So this is the simple invoice and billing process you will be experiencing from once you sign up here. Now, for the new subscribers who want to use our strategies, this entire process of registering yourself with the strategies is same for everyone. So you will first register yourself, and then for invoice for the strategies, you can come to the pricing tab, go to live algo strategies. Here, whichever strategy is open for subscription, you will be able to see it. Once you click on deployment, it will take you on this page where you will have an option to send request. Now, this send request, you must uh, click on this send request only after you have registered yourself in the Algo terminal on our website, which I just explained to you. The reason why I'm sending this, that once you register yourself, you will receive an email with the reference ID. So let me show you how you will get an email. So as I had subscribed or registered with my email ID, so this is how you will get an email. What it will have your um, strategies and reference ID for that strategy, right, during your registration process. So you need to share this registration reference ID with us, either on Telegram, on email, and only once we have this information from you, then we will be able to approve your request. Now let's quickly see the enrollment or the algo access process. This is a two-step process. So the first step is you need to send the request. So once you send the request, we will receive an email. And as I said earlier, that you should register yourself with the algo on our website prior to clicking on this send request button for the strategy, because based on the reference ID, we will be approving your request. So let me just click on this send request button. Once you click on send request, it will show you awaiting confirmation, right? And we will receive an email notification. So I'm just going ahead and approving this request. So let me just approve it quickly. So this request I'm approving. It might take a few seconds. Okay. So now it is approved. Once I approve it, either you can refresh this page, but as the approval does not happen instantly, so what you will be doing once you send the request, you can just close the browser, and later when you come back to the same strategy, instead of saying ask for access, it will show you subscribe button. So when you see subscribe button, it simply means that your strategy request is approved. So you click on subscribe, and then you have this strategy with you. Under strategies section, go to the my strategies tab, copy this strategy name, go to my strategies tab, search for this strategy. So you will see that this is here, right? It will give you two options, deploy or unsubscribe. So if you want to deploy this strategy, click on deploy. You can select the multiplier, live offline or live auto. So live offline, paper trading are actually the same. And the live auto is where you will connect with your broker, and then the strategy will start trading on your broker account. So this is the simple process for registration. Um, First step, just to summarize, the first step is to log into our website, register yourself, and the algo which you want to run. Once you done that, then you will get a reference ID. Send that reference ID to us on our Telegram chat. The Telegram chat link is also provided in the email confirmation you will receive. And once you do that, then open the strategy link, click on ask for request, ask for subscription. We will approve it, and then you will be able to subscribe and deploy the strategy. So that is all I wanted to talk today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you profitable and prosperous trading journey. Thank you very much, everyone.